Hello and welcome to another Orange Coast College mathematics video. In this video, we're going to learn to do operations with fractions involving pi. Now, for the most part, you're just going to treat pi as if it were a variable, and then you'll be combining like terms. So let's begin with an example. So if I want to subtract pi, I want to do the subtraction problem, pi minus pi over 6. And so we can just treat this as if it were a sort of fraction subtraction. So I could think of pi as just being like pi over 1. And now I have fraction subtraction again. So we need to have a common denominator, so I can multiply pi over 1. The common denominator is 6. So multiply pi by 6 over 6. And so this becomes 6 pi over 6 minus pi over 6. And now this will be 6 pi minus pi over 6. And so you can either factor out the pi from the two terms in the numerator if you want, which will leave you with pi times 6 minus 1, or just kind of think of the pi as like a unit or a variable. If I have 6 pi minus pi, that will leave me with 5 pi. And then over 6. And that's it. Example 2, we want to add negative 2 pi over 3 plus 2 pi. So again, these are still essentially, you're really just doing fraction addition here. So this second term is really 2 pi over 1. And then the least common denominator of these two fractions is 3. So we multiply the second fraction here by 3 over 3. So that'll make it an equivalent fraction over the denominator of 3. So this becomes negative 2 pi over 3 plus 6 pi over 3. And that becomes negative 2 pi plus 6 pi over 3. So negative 2 pi plus 6 pi is 4 pi. So we get 4 pi over 3. Example 3, we want to multiply 5 pi over 6 times 360 over 2 pi. So the trick here is to notice that though 360 is a multiple of both 6 and 2, so I could actually write 360 as 12 times 30, and then that 12 can be used to cancel out both the 6 and the 2. We can also cancel out this factor of pi here. So basically, you just want to find all the common factors in the numerator and denominator and get rid of them. So this becomes 5 times 30 over 1. So this is just 150. And that's it. Here's our final example. 7 pi over 4 minus negative pi over 4. So first things first, we could rewrite this as 7 pi over 4. Since it's minus negative pi over 4, we could write this as plus pi over 4. And these fractions have the same denominator, so we simply add across the numerator. So we get 7 pi plus pi over 4. And so 7 pi plus pi is 8 pi, right? 7 pi plus 1 pi over 4. And now we have a common factor of 4 in the numerator and denominator, so we can cancel that out. That'll leave us the 1 in the denominator and a 2 in the numerator, so this becomes 2 pi. And that's it. I think if you're comfortable combining like terms and then adding, subtracting fractions, this should be pretty straightforward. But if you're not, give it some practice and you'll have it down in no time. Until next time, have fun.